everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Megan, just in case you don't know me already, and I'm back with a super exciting video. So in today's video I'm actually going to be testing out this palette. This is the Revolution and Forever Flawless I'll Be There For You palette. This palette is from the Revolution and Friends collection series 3. I have already tested out a few of the other palettes. So first I tested out the Revolution Forever Flawless We Were in a Break palette. Absolutely love this palette. I've also already tried out Joey's palette and Chandler's palette, and then the final one that I'm going to be testing out is the I'll Be There For You palette. And today's video is a special one because not only am I testing my final Friends palette, but it is actually in collaboration with my beautiful friend here on YouTube, Luce Stephenson. I will leave a channel link down below. Make sure you go and check her out. She's amazing. I'm actually one of Luce's Patreons and I absolutely love being in her little community. So we have our own little exclusive chat and we have our own exclusive Instagram as well. Luce does lives and you get so much extra content from her. You get so much input in on the videos, and just being in like her little community, I just feel so welcomed by her and it's just amazing. I finally feel like I fit in somewhere, and Luce is now a friend. She's like family. Absolutely love her, so make sure you do go and check her out down below. And if you've come from Luce's channel, hi, welcome. I love it if you stick around. Hit subscribe. I love everything beauty, makeup, playing with makeup and just having fun, not taking life too seriously. If that's the kind of thing that you like, stick around, hit subscribe, and yeah, let's just test out this palette. So this is what the palette looks like. This palette retails for £12. and it's part of the Forever Flawless, so you get the tin packaging. Look how iconic this photo is. You can almost imagine the opening scene of them like with the umbrellas singing the I'll Be There For You song. It's like running through my head right now. And then opening it up, this is what it looks like. It's 18 pans of eyeshadow. There's loads of mattes, which is amazing. You get a really big mirror and I just want to go ahead and swatch it. Doesn't it look absolutely beautiful? Like you can create some like berry tone shades, some orangey tone shades, cool tones, smoky look. So I'm so excited. So yeah, let's just swatch it. Okay, so the first shade we've got is Chandler's Job. Then we've got the shade Ick. We've got Over Me. Oh, that looks beautiful. And we've got the shade Cheese. Oh, I love that shade. That shade's really pretty. Next, we've got the shade Rose. Oh, that's such an unusual shade. We've got Share Food, Chicken Pox, and Tan. This palette's looking good so far. So next we've got Race Car Bed. We've got Cuffs. Oh, these are swatching beautiful. We've got Poughkeepsie. I think that's how you say it. And we've got Ride Along. The shimmer swatched absolutely beautiful. Wow. I have no idea what I'm going to do now. So we're on to the final row and we've got Dirty Day. We've got Kips. We've got Yeti, and we've got Dollhouse. Oh, these just so much beautiful. And then the final two shades, we've got the shade Jellyfish, and we've got the shade Womb. Oh, they swatched beautiful as well. Look at all those. I think this palette is absolutely beautiful. Like, you could do like any kind of neutral tone look with this. Cool tones, warm tones, berries, oranges. Like, it is a neutral palette, but it's kind of diverse neutral palette. I like it. I like it a lot. So I have put some tape on my eyes. I know it's really bad. I don't have any cosmetic tape at the minute, and I wouldn't normally do my base first, but I did my base for a TikTok, so that's why my bases are. And it's for the Create a Revolution TikTok, so if you wanna spread some love, then I'll leave it linked down below for you to have a look at as well. So yeah, I've got tape on and I've primed my eyes with the Ultimate Eye Base in the shade Light. I really like this though. I think it's really good. And I'm gonna try something different, I think. Why not? Let's try something different. I think I'm going to try something warm toned. I'm automatically drawn to all the pink shades and things, and the Soho shade looks absolutely beautiful, but I think I'm going to try and do something warm, you know. I never do warm tones on my channel. And I'm going to start off with the shade Yeti, this one here. And I'm going to put that in my crease, but I just want to focus it on this like inner part. My whole idea is to do like a little summer here with a cut crease and then like a smoky line there. That's the plan. Whether it goes to plan or not is another thing. I'm going for a flatter brush instead. I don't know. I feel like that will be better. And I have somehow picked a cool tone shade. How have I managed that? I don't think it's going to be warm toned anymore, I'm afraid. I tried. Not very well, like, but... So I'm just going to take that face brush again and just blend a little bit there. Okay, I changed the plan. It's going to be a little bit more cool toned. Never mind. Let's take the shade Kips, which is this one here. So we just went in with Yeti and now I'm going to go in with Kips, just to blend it out a bit. So I'm just going to use the Ultimate Eye Base and I'm just going to like cut that crease there. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. I don't know if that's what I'm going for, but I don't know. I'm trying to trust the process a little bit here because I am doing something I've never done before. Like, I've never done anything like this before, ever. So I'm trying to trust it. I'm trying to trust the process. I'm going to go in with the same shades again, the same two shades. So the shade Yeti and the shade Kips. Don't worry, I'm going to use some other shades too. And I want to do like almost like a liner and like smoke it out a little bit. So I've just got this like really small liner brush to start off with. It's the Gesso 312 detail liner brush. And taking that Yeti. Again, I never do stuff like this. Oh my god. So I'm just going to take a bigger one. This is the 322 brow liner from Gesso, and I'm literally just going to smudge it a little bit. And then go into that shade Kips, which is the one that we used to blend that out, and then use that to do the exact same. Blend it out. So I'm going to try the shade Jellyfish, and I'm just going to go along that line as well. I don't really know how I'm feeling about this look, but I don't think it's really going to suit my kind of eye shape, but I'm trying something new, so I'll try it. Let's see what this looks like. And I'm going to take the shade Over Me, which is this beautiful shimmer right here, and I'm literally going to put that like all on this white space here. Oh, I'm trying to trust the process. And I'm just going to go in with the the black in the palette called Share Food and literally just put it right on my waterline, not waterline, tight line, like really close. I still don't know how I feel about this look. So this is what we're looking like so far. It's just so different for me. I don't hate it, but I don't know if I love it. I don't know if I love it on my eye shape. When I do like this, like I kind of like it, but when I'm like this, I don't know if I like it. But moving on to my lower lash line. So I think I'm gonna take this shade Cheese, which is up here. Just want to give that one a go. I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And I'm going to blend that out a little bit with the shade Chandler's Job. So I'm just going to have a camera, I'm literally just going to do my other eye, put some eyelashes on, a lipstick on, and then I'll be right back to show you my finished look. So this is my finished look. Let me know what you think down below. It is so different for me, so I love any feedback because I'm not sure whether I like it, whether I don't like it. It's just super different for me. I don't know if it suits my eye shape, but I absolutely love the palette. The shades that I used, I didn't use loads and loads of shades, but I absolutely love this palette so much. Oh, it's just beautiful. I think it's such a beautiful palette and I could see myself reaching for this so much, and I absolutely love it. There's so much that you can do with it. Like you can still do like creative things with the neutral kind of palettes, and I highly recommend this palette. Every shade that I used performed really beautiful. There was like no dud shades. Everything swatched beautiful, and I just can't recommend it enough. So I did finish off my eye look. I used the Beauty Bay eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow in the shade Morganite. This came out with the latest collection, the new Romantic collection, and I literally just like lined that little bit there. Just thought it would like neaten it up a little bit. My lipstick is the Friends and Revolution Series 1 Dewy Lip Gloss. This is probably my favourite lip gloss out of them all. Really like this one. My eyelashes are the House of Blue eyelashes in the style Clara. Absolutely love these eyelashes. Out of the 4 Revolution palettes that I tested in this like series 3 tested videos that I did, I think this one is my favourite. I'm just gonna get so much use out of it. It's absolutely beautiful. It performed so well. I'd also highly recommend the We Were on a Break palette too. They were like both my top favourites. Like they were just beautiful. If you wanted to pick up something from the collection, you weren't sure what to go for, I'd either go with this if you like love all your neutrals and you're going to get a lot of use out of this, or if you love your colourful eyeshadows, then I would go for the We Were on a Break palette because that had loads of mattes and really beautiful shimmers, all like super cohesive. These are the two that I'd recommend picking up over the boys palettes, but I still love the boys palettes. I just feel like I'm going to get more use out of the Forever Flawless ones, but that's okay. I'm happy I've got it all. So thank you so much for watching my video today, and make sure you hit the like button if you did enjoy my video, and make sure you go right over to Luce's channel and check out her look that she just created with this palette as well. I'm so excited to see what she created because this is just Lucy in a palette, so I'm so excited to see what she does with it. So yeah, go show her some love as well, and stick around, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!